Today I'm gonna go riding with my dad, with his Himalayan, and with my bike, the CB500X of course. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We're gonna do a bit of a day trip. Before we start riding, I want to thank all the people that commented on the previous video, guessing the movie quote. Your comments are right here. So there's a movie quote at the end of this video also. If you guess it, your comment will be in the next video. Zal ik u gewoon volgen op een gegeven moment als we terugrijden, zal ik misschien gewoon naar huis en dan zal ik vooraan rijden.
Ja, maar moet me daar zien altijd eerst.
This is our first stop of the ride. We've been riding for about an hour and a half. We crossed this nice place to sit down, have a little snack, have a little talk. There is this little water mill, I don't know how it's called. There's cows there taking a piss. Nature at its finest. We're riding side by side with the border with the Netherlands. And every time we see a road that leads towards Netherlands, there are these big concrete blocks that prevent people from going there because of the coronavirus. And that's the first time I ever saw something like that, like closed borders. It's not something we're used to. I mean, it's obviously a good thing that they're doing that. We're ready to go ride again. We're at the border with the Netherlands, but we can't pass, obviously. So we took a little break and we had a little snack and a lunch. We're going to have to make a U-turn and follow this trail back. It's nice to have an adventure bike in situations like this. Anything to add? No, oké. Filmen is.
Dat rood lampje brandt.
Daar, een rood lampje brandt en hier zijn cijfertjes.
Dat kan ik niet lezen.
we're back home. We rode all the way back for 2 hours from the border. And now there's one more thing that needs to happen. I'm gonna shave my head because I'm just sick and tired of this long hair. So if you want to see my cut off hair, you'll have to wait for the next video. So in total today I've ridden about 5.5 hours with 2 little breaks. And this time I actually didn't have any issues with my back or anything like that. So maybe I'm a little bit used to it now. As you could see, there was a lot of off-road track that we did today. It was not planned, but you know, if you come across something like that, you can always do it with a bike like this. I feel really safe on soft tarmac roads, so that's good. I hope you enjoyed the ride, and here's this video's movie quote. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.